My name is Marc A. I'm a physiatrist with Emerge Ortho, and I primarily work out of the Hendersonville office. I'm board certified in physical medicine and rehabilitation and subspecialty fellowship trained in interventional spine and musculoskeletal medicine. So I primarily utilize non-surgical, minimally invasive and conservative treatment options to treat patients with neck, low back pain, sciatica, truthfully pain generators anywhere in between. And our primary goal is to kind of identify their individual pain target and kind of help reduce that to ultimately kind of restore and maximize their physical function. That could be anywhere from someone wants to get back into running marathons, or simply they just want to be able to spend more time playing with their grandkids. So my favorite part about Emerge Ortho is the people. So I work with a lot of incredible people, anywhere from my medical assistants to my x-ray techs to my scheduler and the front desk and the administration. There's a lot of great people, a lot of really smart people. I have some incredible surgical colleagues who, they all have their own subspecialty in this world and can bounce ideas off of them and send patients to them. So a lot of good people with a lot of great resources. So most of my procedures consist of using local anesthetic, and they're performed here in office, so we don't have to go to a surgery center, we don't have to go to a hospital. Their day of procedures, they can range anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes, and they're all done here. The advantages to doing procedures here in office from a patient's perspective is that we don't use general anesthesia, we don't have to put people fully under, we can use local anesthetic. There's kind of the timing convenience with that. It means you can eat prior to your procedure, and typically it doesn't consume an entire day or overnight stay. I love living here. It's a beautiful place to live, and it draws a lot of active individuals who want to work hard and remain physically active. So I think it definitely has an appeal for someone like me who wants to kind of keep people active and keep them doing what they love.